Well, good afternoon, everybody. I'm going to make it really short. Only got 3 minutes on here. It'll be fine. Plans are today is to clean some of the house as best as I can. And if we have time and if we feel like it, after I clean the house, it's pretty much like already 2. I overslept. But that's okay. If I have time, or if we have time and we feel like it, we might go to the movies and watch Aquaman. So that would be kind of cool. So far today, we pretty much got down a topic of what do you call it? There's a truck, sweetie. Of figuring out what our future house would possibly look like. If you guys haven't thought about it, or not actually thought about it, but didn't know or anything, my plans for next year is to save up money to not only fix our house that we currently live, but also to save up money to actually build a house on this new property. So what does that mean is that, I'll fix our house that we currently have. Probably just like some things, like maybe the water leak that we have, but not like the flooring and any other repairs like the walls or stuff that we probably need to be repaired. Because I don't know, maybe it's just me. I think it'll probably be a waste of money to fix that type of stuff, like the flooring and stuff, and get new flooring and fix up walls and stuff, if you're going to eventually tear down a house to continue building a newer house. So we've been talking about that, what it should look like and stuff, and what kind of rooms I should put it in, or what kind of rooms we should have in there. So it's really good. Sounds good. Kind of drew, like, not really a good picture, but kind of like labeled some boxes of what rooms should be where and where all the bathrooms should be and stuff of our future house, and what the kind of like a draft, but not really a draft, but I'll probably take a picture and show you what we've created a little bit, and then when I get the proper drawing computer systems